Hey guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and myself and Ryan are here at Hill End. So hope you enjoy the videos. Hope you guys like and subscribe to these videos. It helps us out a lot. And leave a comment on what you think. What should we do next and where should we go? So stay tuned, enjoy, thanks, bye. The whole town.
London. This during the past week, the works in connection with the patriarch shaft being pushed under all possible dispatch. The top was put on when the power under the shaft and a strong rope fixed.
I don't know what.
Made, a suitable truck made in which full kibble can be tipped.
You can't even see anything.
Tramway lead.
Yeah, you're not allowed to. You won't be able to take a GoPro on you. He's a very nice fella. There's so many people going.
So he's in the camp next to Germantown Lane?
The Germantown Lane's the one opposite our campsite.
Yeah, which is there.
I think where, yeah, this street's not here anymore.
No.
This one here is the one we drive down to get to.
Yeah,
I think
then you
where
come
we're
down.
his lane, so we're in there, sort of thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that would make sense.
We're camped up here.
Yeah, it makes sense, just there.
So look at all the houses that are out there now. So.
The old bridle route. Walk around. Natural erosion. There you go, better angle. Can you imagine rain? Like when it rained big, this whole thing would have raged. It's all man-made, cut out. You said all this in your first video, didn't you?
It's all rock.
Cut out to transfer the flow of water.
Yeah, so yeah, would have been all up there. Those trees are down here, but
That's insane.
that's what I mean. You got to take the trees away to be able
Yeah.
to see in the map there.
Look at all that. How long ago? 200 years ago? 200 years ago?
1870s, I think.
Right. 1870s.
150.
Done by hand. Yes. Still made. Still standing.
Not much left of it.
No. But I'm sure not all our houses that have been built
Yeah.
will be up 170 years in the future.
Yeah. So there's part of that stone wall down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kilometre long aerial roadway to transfer gold bearing ores from Hawkins Hill to here.
Get you a better. What was that? That's what it was. And that's what it's now. We're not lost?
Not lost, I just wanted to go the right way.
Lost in the jungle.
On a walking track.
On a walking track. Very flat walking track, thank God. Pause again. Give it a read. And that is that.
Branches off.
Yeah.
But that's rock. It's not dirt. It's hammered through.
And that's cement. Just for the cage. And there's another one over here. Oh, hello. Oh, kangaroo.
Yeah, mate.
G'day.
Yeah, someone see you later.
Another mine.
Laying in the sun.
See if I can get him.
No.
Yeah, there he is. He was just laying there.
Looking back, there's just the area.
Oh, we got a herd of them. Look at them, all babies.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, fine.
Hey guys. They're just all resting. We disturbed their rest. They were all asleep. Sorry, buddy. A bridge, he said. No bridge. Last storm must have wiped it out. 'Cause there was a bridge there. Oh, go find the bridge so we can get across. Yeah, as I said, like there was rocks on it as like the forming site for the sides. But yeah, just no bridge. It must have got wiped out. And all this used to be a dam.
Look at some side of the hill.
Yeah, the whole thing was a dam. Hot A-frame. Well, there's nothing growing there, so maybe they filled it in. Oh shit. It's fascinating. Everything's fascinating. And yes, the bush has taken over. Not the bush, not the forest. Yeah, all the foundations. There's a mine.
Piles of rock would be
The giveaway.
piles of rock would be the old chimneys.
Yeah.
Just wash away.
Oh, that would have been.
For something, it's all brick.
No, it's double brick. Double brick,
That's the basement for a house.
maybe.
That sign will say. Another one there. That'll be a basement.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, the pigs.
Probably a pub.
Maybe.
There was heaps of them.
Yeah, read that for that. The old houses. Most are not used anymore. Then you got this thing. This is huge. It's probably a hotel, motel.
No, it's just a house.
Just a house.
A toll. It's called.
A bank. The bunk.
Just they had to take. I was watching a thing and said that they had to take the sign down because everybody started digging it up.
See if there was any gold in it.
Yeah.
See spikes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another one there. I reckon just there somewhere.
Probably. Yeah, another one. So
Big safe holding all the gold. Oh yeah, if you can see, just down there. Laying there chilling. It'd be good if they had the year on there. The chimney looks like it's been repaired a few times.
Yeah. Is that a kitchen to the back of the house?
Yeah, and it's metal, and then you got the wood. Wood and brick, it's whatever you had. And the fence, again. It's not held up by nails, it's held up by this wire. It's twisted. Old way of lock wire. All that laid down almost 200 years ago. And it survived. It still works. Here's the campsite information centre.
We're just done. Let me get my bearings here. We just went up and around here. Come back this way.
Yeah. Yeah, reservation is essential for this campsite. It gives you all the areas that you can do, and the map that you can do.
That's where the bushfires were.
Yeah.
Right there. That's what it used to look like.
So, how much is it a night here?
$17 for an unpowered.
The best thing about unpowered is you got a bigger area. The powered, they're very small, compact.